Good morning, everyone. Today we will be discussing nitrate. The formula of nitrate is NH. Wow! NH is also abbreviation of National Highway, but I am not discussing about National Highway. Rather, we will discuss nitrene, whose formula is NH. It is nitrene basic unit. It is alkyl nitrene. Nitrene is electron deficient. 2 to 4 to 6. There are only 6 electrons. There are sextet of electrons in the outermost orbit of nitrogen of nitrene. It is analogous of carbene and very reactive. Now, structure. Nitrene exists in two structures, singlet nitrene and triplet nitrene. Singlet nitrene, it is ground state electronic configuration of nitrogen, 2 electrons in 1s and 1 in 2px, 2py, 2pz. It is sp2 hybridization and it is NH. This electron is of hydrogen which overlaps here, and under influence of extra energy, high energy, this electron is forced to pair up here. So this orbital is vacant, and that's why singlet nitrene is called excited nitrene, and it is very reactive due to high energy needed to pair up this electron. And it is sp2 hybridized. Singlet nitrene is sp2 hybridized and very reactive. It is sp2 hybrid orbital, sp2, and one hydrogen has overlapped here, forming one covalent bond. Okay. Hybridization is sp2. It is diamagnetic because magnetic moment is 0, excited state, more reactive and less stable. It is triplet nitrene, NH. Both electrons, 2 electrons are unpaired, so it is diradical and paramagnetic. It is ground state electronic configuration of nitrogen, and hybridization is sp. And this is the electron of hydrogen which overlaps here, and it is NH. It is sp hybrid orbital, One electron of hydrogen has overlapped here, forming one covalent bond. And it is py and pz orbital, one electron. So, hybridization of triplet nitrene is sp. It is paramagnetic, means there are 2 unpaired electrons. So, magnetic moment will be non-zero, hence it will be paramagnetic. It is ground state and less reactive and more stable. Generation. How nitrene can be generated? It is nitrene. It is photon, light or heat. Under photochemical condition or thermal condition, this bond breaks here, giving to nitrene. In the similar fashion, breaking is taking place here, giving to such type of nitrene. Here breaking is taking place in this fashion, giving to such type of nitrene. Here breaking is taking place in this fashion, giving to basic unit of nitrene. And here all are photochemical reaction or thermal reaction. It is alkyl isocyanate, and also bond breaking is taking place in this fashion, giving to alkyl nitrene. Now reactions. 5 types of reaction are there: addition reaction, insertion reaction, rearrangement, abstraction and dimerization. Addition reaction is of two types, stereospecific addition of singlet and non-stereospecific addition of triplet. It is first we will see addition reaction, stereospecific addition of singlet nitrine. Means stereospecific means singlet nitrine will add stereospecifically, means here cis isomer will give cis product and trans isomer will give trans product. It is cis, RR same side, and it is singlet nitrine. This pi bond has a paired electrons, one is clockwise, another is anti-clockwise. Here one clockwise, another anti-clockwise. Here when this bond breaks, clockwise will interact with anti-clockwise and anti-clockwise interacts with clockwise, leading to this transition state and leading to this product which is cis. It is cis, it is cis. In the similar fashion, it is trans. R and R. These two alkyl are in opposite side, therefore it is trans and it is giving trans product. Non-stereospecific addition of triplet nitrine. Here, this bond breaks, this pi bond breaks in this fashion and this singlet, this triplet nitrine will add either of the two carbon atoms. Suppose this triplet nitrine will add to this carbon. It is clockwise, therefore both the electrons of triplet nitrine are clockwise, therefore one clockwise and it is anti-clockwise. Anti-clockwise electron of this alkene will interact with this clockwise, giving to this clockwise and it is clockwise. Anti-clockwise of this will interact here and therefore clockwise spin is here. Now two types of phenomena can take place here. Spin inversion, here spin of this electron changes to this and then this anti-clockwise, this clockwise will interact together leading to this product. It is cis. Friends, we have started from cis and here we are getting cis. Further, bond rotation may take place. If this bond, this carbon rotates, this bond rotates, then this clockwise spin of this electron changes into anti-clockwise and then this clockwise, this anti-clockwise will interact together leading to this product and here R is here, R is here, R is here, R is here. Here R is below and here R is up, R is up. Therefore it is trans, it is trans. Diagonally these two alkyl are diagonally placed, therefore it is trans and we have started with cis. So friends, we are getting result, we are getting product, it is cis, it is trans, mixture of cis and trans. Therefore, non-stereospecific addition has been observed by triplet nitrine. Okay. Second type of reaction is insertion reaction. Singlet nitrine will insert with fastest rate at tertiary carbon, then secondary carbon, and the minimum rate is at primary carbon. Note that triplet nitrine does not insert into carbon-hydrogen bond. Here it is singlet nitrine and it inserts at this, it is tertiary carbon. This singlet nitrine adds here and at primary carbon here. 67% insertion is at tertiary carbon and 1% insertion is at primary carbon. In the similar fashion, in this reaction, it is singlet 19 and it inserts at secondary carbon here 9%, 9% and 1% insertion is at primary carbon. Third is rearrangement. It is nitrene and nitrogen of nitrene is electron deficient, and this electron deficient nitrogen is the driving force of the rearrangement. Okay, this lone pair of electrons shifts in this fashion, making a pi bond, and at the same time this hydride ion or this nucleophilic attack is taking place in this fashion, means this bond comes from here to here and thus this product is formed. 4.1 is abstraction. This nitrogen of nitrene is sextet of electrons in its outermost orbit. So nitrogen is electron deficient in nitrene. So it can abstract this hydrogen so as to make its octet of its electrons in its valence shell. Fifth one is dimerization. It is nitrene and nitrogen is electron deficient in this nitrene, in all nitrene. So two molecules of nitrene will dimerize in this fashion, leading to azo compound. It is azobenzene, simplest. If you are taking phenyl, then it will be azobenzene. Wow. Thank you. See you again.